Hi, welcome back. Let's discuss Introduction to Retirement Planning, why it's important and how to start. Introduction to retirement planning is crucial for individuals of all ages to secure their financial future and enjoy a comfortable retirement. Here's an overview of why retirement planning is important and how to get started. 1. Importance of retirement planning. A. Financial security. Retirement planning ensures financial security during your retirement years when you no longer have a regular income from employment. It allows you to maintain your standard of living and cover essential expenses such as housing, healthcare, and daily living expenses. B. Longevity risk. With increasing life expectancy, retirement planning helps protect against the risk of outliving your savings. By planning and saving adequately, you can enjoy a longer retirement without worrying about running out of money. C. Inflation hedge. Retirement planning accounts for inflation, which erodes the purchasing power of money over time. By investing in assets that provide returns that outpace inflation, such as stocks and real estate, you can ensure your savings keep up with rising living costs. D. Independence and freedom. Proper retirement planning gives you the freedom to retire on your own terms and pursue activities that bring fulfillment and joy, such as traveling, hobbies, volunteering, or spending time with family and friends. 2. How to start retirement planning. A. Set retirement goals. Begin by setting specific retirement goals, including your desired retirement age, lifestyle, and financial needs. Consider factors such as healthcare costs, inflation, and potential long-term care expenses. B. Assess current financial situation. Evaluate your current financial situation, including income, expenses, assets, debts, and existing retirement savings accounts. Determine how much you will need to save for retirement based on your desired lifestyle and retirement goals. C. Calculate retirement savings needs. Use retirement calculators or consult with a financial advisor to estimate how much you need to save for retirement. Consider factors such as life expectancy, inflation, investment returns, and anticipated expenses in retirement. D. Start saving early. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the better. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans such as 401(k)(s) or 403(b)(s), and contribute enough to qualify for any employer matching contributions. Consider opening additional retirement accounts, such as IRAs or Roth IRAs for additional savings. E. Invest wisely. Develop an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance, time horizon, and retirement goals. Diversify your investment portfolio across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce risk and maximize returns over the long term. 3. Additional considerations. A. Estate planning. Estate planning is an essential aspect of retirement planning that involves creating a will, establishing trusts, and designating beneficiaries for your assets. Review and update your estate plan regularly to reflect changes in your life circumstances and wishes. B. Social Security benefits. Understand how Social Security benefits work and how they factor into your retirement income. Consider the best timing for claiming Social Security benefits based on your individual situation and retirement goals. C. Stay informed. Stay informed about changes in retirement laws, tax regulations, and economic trends that may impact your retirement planning strategy. Educate yourself by reading financial literature, attending seminars, and staying up to date on retirement-related news and developments. By starting early, setting clear goals, and following a disciplined retirement planning strategy, you can build a solid foundation for a financially secure and fulfilling retirement.